guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Jay Castro MUA, welcome. Today I created this diamond yellow sun themed look. I hope you guys like it. This is going to be a very quick intro. So please don't forget to comment on this video, like this video, subscribe to my channel please because I would greatly appreciate it. If you want to see how I created this look, then please continue watching. It's been a while yet again. It's like I record a video, then I go 3 weeks without recording a video. The hell is wrong with me? Whatever, we're gonna get started. The first thing we're gonna do is clip our hair back. I bought these off of Amazon and they're not supposed to bend your hair when you use them. So it's really nice for when I'm doing my makeup or washing my face. I just use these to move the hair away from my face. And then when I remove them, there's no bend in my hair. So they work, so it's pretty awesome. I think I paid like 12 bucks for like a shit ton of them. I want to go super simple with this look. Honestly, what made me even want to record was the fact that I was feeling good today, you know? I looked outside, the sun was shining, I was in like an okay mood. So I was like, fuck it, let's go record a video. So, simple, the sun is my muse, I guess you can say, and that's what I'm going with, alright? I washed my face this morning, I worked, and now I'm doing makeup at like 5 o'clock, so my face isn't as hydrated as I'd like it to be. And it's not as glowy as I'd like it to be. So I'm going to take the Farsali Liquid Glass Radiance Make Skin Serum. To let that just sink into the skin, and I'm gonna move on to my brows. I used this for the first time this weekend and I freaking love it. This is the Kat Von D 24-Hour Super Brow Long Wear Pomade in dark brown. Dude, it's just as good as the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. I love it. Love, love, love it. The only thing is you do gotta work fast because it dries up quick. To prime my eyelid, I'm going to be taking the MAC Cosmetics Prep and Prime 24-Hour Extend Eye Base. So next I'm going to be taking the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag eyeshadow palette and going into the shade Campy. Today I'm going to be taking the M Cosmetics Illustrative Eyeliner. Well, that's actually drying out. I'm pretty sure it's garbage now. I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Sketch Marker Liquid Art Eyeliner in black. So I want to move on to mascara next. I'm going to be taking the Marc Jacobs At Lashed Lifting and Volumizing Mascara. So usually highlight is one of my favorite things to do, but today I'm switching it to lashes, and here's why. Someone I used to go to high school with, who I used to be very close with, started her own lash brand. Her name is Melissa, and I am so super stoked for her. Congratulations, Melissa. But I also love these lashes, and I'm not saying this because we used to be friends back in high school. I am dead ass 100% serious, okay? First of all, the fact that she's representing Toronto, number one. Every single lash is named after a street in Toronto. Okay? Second, these lashes are absolutely beautiful. And again, I'm being completely honest. I think I own every single pair except for maybe 2 that she has launched so far. And just because the 2 I didn't pick were a little too dramatic for me, doesn't mean they're not pretty, doesn't mean they're not beautiful, they're just not the lash for me. But I have literally picked up every single one of her lashes. It's either 2 or 3 lashes that I don't own. Today I picked Dufferin. Check these out. These lashes are also so inexpensive. The most expensive lashes she has are $15 and the cheapest lashes are $8. So you've got $8, $10, $13, and $15. And these are reusable. If you take care of them, you can reuse them. and they're beautiful and they look really, really nice. Do you see this? These are stunning. Fucking stunning. Oh my god. Y'all, I love the curl. Can't tell me these aren't nice. And like I said, I'm being 100% honest. Not because she was my high school friend, just a great freaking brand, alright? Oh, I didn't even mention. One thing I forgot to mention earlier is that if you're ordering within the GTA, she delivers as well. The last 2 times I made my order, I got my delivery on the same day. So, fuck, you can't go wrong, guys. To my people who live in Toronto and the GTA, dude, get these freaking lashes. They're amazing. I'm gonna link her Instagram handle somewhere on the screen, and I'll also link it down below in the description box. But I'm in love. I love these. Love, love, love these. So next, I'm moving on to my face. I'm going to be taking the Rodial Soft Focus Glow Drops Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. For foundation, I'm using the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Y225. Concealer, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Light Capturing Self-Setting Concealer in the shade 22. And to set my face, I'm going to use a Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. So for bronzer and contour today, I'm going to be taking the Tarte Cosmetics Tarteist Pro Glow palette. And first, I'm going to be jumping into Autograph. And for contour, I'm going to go into Backstage. For blush, I'm going to go into Dance Floor. For highlighter today, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in Molten Gold. Shall finish the eyes. I'm not adding any eyeshadow under the eyes. I'm just literally doing mascara and eyeliner. So for eyeliner today, I'm gonna use the ColourPop BFF Cream Gel Liner in the shade Punch. And to set that in place, I'm going to go back into Campy. For mascara, I'm going to be using the ColourPop BFF Volumizing Mascara in the shade Hello, I'm Here. For the lips, I'm going to keep it simple, just sticking with the nude, and I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Bow and Arrow. Last step, I'm going to be taking some jewels. So I decided that I want to add a little bit of gloss just to add some more down here to match what's going on up here. So I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk. this completes my sun theme look. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscribe button down below, because I greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Hey guys, what's up, and welcome back. Blah, blah, blah. The first thing we're gonna do, well, fuck me then. Farsali Liquid Glass Radiance Make Skin Syrup. Too Faced Sketch Marker. You're So Too Faced Black Liquid Art Eyeliner. What the fuck? I'm gonna take in. So instead. So next I'm gonna move. Too much setting powder everywhere. Whew. And